Hi, David Odell here. Today we're at this new job site. This is our first day on the job, other than when I of course did the estimation and cost. We actually went ahead and got dig alert out here for this one. You can see this is how they mark it when you call an underground service to locate buried stuff. So here's what it looks like. Actually, the homeowner actually called this because he's seen some of my videos on YouTube and said, hey, I think I will call these guys. So that's what he did, 811. Anyway, I mean, you can tell you got, if you've got this here, you got this, that means, and then the electric meter is on this house right there, on this house. So there's a line that goes right through here in between these houses and branches off to each house. That's how they get their electric, because there's no overhead here. Now we've got your cable line, we've got your electrical. This is Southern California Edison, this is Cox, AT&T. They're all right here. They all come up here. Now, for the electric, that's going to probably be 3 feet plus deep. You know, they run them pretty deep in these original builds. So it's coming up here. Here's the branch off. Shoots over to here, to that meter. Then it continues, and it goes here. And we also have a gas line here. Let's follow these tags. Well, we have the meter. We know it goes to the street. Now these are going to be probably about 2 feet deep. So I've never hit a gas line. There's always a first for everything. Where does that gas line go from here?
I think it went to the neighbors.
It just stops. Oh, it goes over here. Oh, it goes on this side. The gas line branches here, and then the main is running more on the neighbor's property on out. Which is nice. We don't have to worry about a gas line. Let's take a look at the rest. Also over here down this side yard, this is going to be concrete, solid concrete all the way down. A box out around the sprinkler valves. Those valves will get upgraded eventually. Sprinklers are going to all be capped. There's about 4 or 5 of them along this property line wall. Those are going to be all gone. We'll go solid concrete through there. There's nothing going on this side, because eventually this driveway is coming out. This is going to be phase 2, the whole driveway, and we'll widen the driveway at that time. But in the meantime, what we're going to do is we're going to 2-tier this front yard. Instead of a straight grade slope like it is right now, we're going to put a concrete retainer, concrete raised retainer right here. It's going to go somewhere right around here. And then this is your pole box, electrical pole box right here. This goes underground. And there's one of these every 5 houses. That's where you pull their wires. So this has to be free and clear so they have access. So we're going to put our curb up here. This will be the upper level, and it'll be a step down to the lower level, which is at that height. So this entire front area here will be down at basically city sidewalk level. And this concrete retainer poured in place will just kind of be a nice meandering edge here. We're going to take this sidewalk out, widen it. We're going to put a bunch of radiuses on it. Radius this corner here. We're going to radius this over here. We're going to bring the walkway over to here. Then over here. And it's going to come right there. Bam. Then as we go around, we're going to add another walkway here. This is going to come around here. This is just kind of free-flowing, meandering walkway. Boom, when we hit the side of this house, it just goes straight right through the gate. Also, we're going to put underground drainage from the back all the way to the front through the curb. This gate right here, when I look at the bottom of it, it looks like it's at a good height for top of concrete, which means we got a good 4 inches of dirt, I would say, to remove. This walkway maintains about 3.5, 4 feet wide, all the way back. It's going to end right here. Then we're going to do some artificial turf from this point all the way back, right about here. This whole section, all the way to this existing brick right here, will be artificial turf. And of course, we have to bring the drain all the way around. We're gonna bring it all the way to here. We're gonna have our first drain right here, go all the way through the curb this way. Then going around the other side of the house, we'll have another drain here that goes this way, and then we'll of course have a few all the way down the side of the house. Maybe some downspout adapters for future, and then some area drains, you know, centered through the concrete. And we'll do the same thing all the way around here. This side of the house, I think all of our area drains are going to be atrium drain types in the planter, and we'll just slope the walkway off into the planter area because it's the way it's naturally sloping right now. Now, when we do all this concrete, wherever we do concrete, you got to think about what are you going to do in the future. We're going to run sleeves under the artificial turf here for possible water back here for fountain or a hose bib. Plus, we're going to run an electrical conduit to run a pump in a fountain. That'll be underground. And we've got a lot of other little sleeves we're going to put here and there in the front yard to cover for future stuff, low voltage lighting. What else? We're probably going to move the valve from that side of the house to the front where the main comes in. Instead of having to take the water supply across and under the driveway, it'll be right there. So that will reroute all the sprinklers coming around this direction of the house instead of this direction. And that's a phase 2 with the driveway. But right now we're just gonna get prepped for phase 2 and get a few things completed. All right, that about wraps it up. And the main thing is, dig alert was here. We know where everything is, so we shouldn't hit anything. So anyway, stay tuned because this is going to be a series on this job. Multiple videos in this particular job because there's a lot of things going on. Artificial turf, concrete, your underground, your drains. Make sure if you want to, you know, keep up to date on as we release these and you get notified, hit the bell and subscribe and like, and then you get notified every time I release one. You won't miss a thing that way. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Hi, David Odell here with OdellCompleteConcrete. Today we're wrapping this job up. This is our last day here. We've got a lot of little detail to touch up around here, but we're with Michael, the homeowner. He's the guy that hired me initially, and we're going to talk a little bit about how it went for him and what he thought about us working here. So Mike, what did you think about everything that we did so far here and how it went from the beginning to basically the end?
I was going to say it's been a very smooth process. Happy with how all the work's gone so far. It's gone quickly. Everything's been cleaned up when we come home at night. Kind of seen the vision. We were able to kind of come together on that. We'd met with designers before. We weren't really kind of liking what they were coming back with. So really happy with what we have here.
Yeah, it was interesting because when we started, we originally had more of a complete circle type look. We didn't really have this retaining wall going all the way over here, and that's kind of what we came up with when we started painting shapes on the ground. And that seems to work the best, is when you actually paint, you know, things on the ground rather than looking at a plan and trying to match it to a place. When you actually paint it on the ground, you can see right away how it lays out. And that's how we did all these walkways. Everything was painted, and we made a little adjustments to the paint here and there, and now we're to this stage. Now it's a matter of just landscaping and planting. Anyway, Michael, we're gonna probably, Mercedes is gonna come out later, which your wife Mercedes, she'll talk to us a little bit later when she gets ready to head out to work, and you're getting ready to head out right now. So yeah, it was nice working for you. And hey, thanks for bringing the Gatorades and all the drinks every day.
Yeah, of course.
That was nice. I mean, it doesn't happen often, but
yeah,
it's nice when it does.
I was gonna say, hot days. We appreciate everything you guys are doing. So thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Have a good day at work.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Hi, David Odell here. I'm back on the site, and Mercedes is getting ready to go to work. This is Michael's wife, and we already talked with him earlier. Now we got Mercedes out here. We just wanted to see what she thought about the whole process, and did it meet her expectations, everything that we've done so far.
Yeah, I didn't know what to expect. Yeah, so it was really hard to get a vision for what it was going to look like, because our lot is such a weird shape, and it just exceeded expectations, and I think it happened really quick. I don't know how long this is supposed to take, but it was really fast.
We moved along pretty good. I mean, we've
Yeah.
been here about a week and a half maybe.
Yeah,
I mean, not long days, because we like to get out of here early before it really gets hot.
yeah.
But it's been fun working here. And the nice thing about it, we've been getting ice cold drinks, snacks throughout the whole job, which has been great.
Yeah, we like doing that. That's
Yeah,
great.
that was
So
nice.
we really
Thank you.
appreciate what you did. It's,
You're welcome. Yeah.
good. Your expertise. It was your knowledge of concrete that really pulled this together. No one else understood what we wanted.
That's the key. Yeah, you have to be doing this a
Yeah.
while to kind of get it, or done something similar.
Yeah.
Plus you got to see me on YouTube, so you kind of knew what the outcome might be. You had an idea. This was just a different little shape here, but we got it done. It looks good.
It does look so good.
And now we can move on. Maybe in a year, 6 months, we'll do phase 2. We can do maybe the driveway. We can redo all the landscaping.
Yeah.
I mean, the hard part's done. Now it's the fun part, really. The final nice touches. That's what's really going to complete this whole thing, I think. But that's where you come in, because I mean, look at all these plants you have here. I mean, you have a lot of nice variety. Now it's just a matter of putting them in all these right places.
Yeah. I
It
think
would
we
be
still
nice.
have a quarter of the lot to do still, right, in the front?
Yeah.
Yeah. We still have a
Yep.
big portion to do left, so
Mm-hmm.
we'll start planning that.
That'll be fun.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it was nice working for you, and have a nice day at work.
Thank you.
See you later.
Alright guys, so this is Tim Odell. I just wanted to jump in here real quick, wrap this video up for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the little overview of everything we're going to be showing you guys from Michael and Mercedes' perspective, how we did on their job and how they enjoyed us being there for them on their jobs. But I just wanted to let you guys know that this is going to be a 4-part series. That was part 1. There's going to be 3 more parts coming out, so definitely stay tuned. I really think you guys are going to enjoy this series. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And comment if you have any questions, guys. We always enjoy seeing the comments and replying to you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy the series. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned.